unlock new levels of creativity and efficiency. At the heart of Amazon, Nova AI lies a suite of powerful features designed to redefine our expectations of artificial intelligence. One of the most remarkable features is Nova AI's ability to process and understand information from a variety of sources. Text, images, videos, Nova AI takes it all in stride. Imagine feeding Nova AI a complex financial report. It doesn't just scan the words, it truly understands the data, identifying trends, extracting insights, and even generating summaries with human-like comprehension. But Nova AI's talents extend far beyond analysis. This AI powerhouse can also create. Need a stunning image for your website? Nova AI can generate it. Have a script for a short video? Nova AI can bring it to life. This unique blend of analytical and creative prowess makes Amazon Nova AI an invaluable tool for anyone looking to harness the power of AI. Whether you're a business professional seeking to automate tasks, a content creator looking for new avenues of expression, or simply someone eager to explore the forefront of AI, Nova AI welcomes you with open arms. In the realm of artificial intelligence, speed and efficiency are paramount. And this is where Amazon Nova AI truly shines. Built on a foundation of state-of-the-art models, Nova AI delivers lightning-fast performance without compromising accuracy. Consider the Nova Micro model, a testament to Nova AI's commitment to efficiency. This model excels in tasks that demand instant results, such as chatbots and virtual assistants. Imagine a customer service chatbot powered by Nova Micro. It could understand customer queries instantly, provide accurate information in real time, and even handle multiple conversations simultaneously, all while maintaining a friendly and helpful demeanor. This level of speed and responsiveness can revolutionize industries from customer service to healthcare to education. But Nova AI's performance goes beyond just speed. It's also incredibly cost-effective. Amazon understands that for AI to reach its full potential, it needs to be accessible to everyone. That's why they've priced Nova AI competitively, making it a viable solution for businesses of all sizes. With Nova AI, you don't have to choose between performance and affordability. You get the best of both worlds. You know, it's not just about having advanced features, it's about how seamlessly they come together. The Amazon Nova AI is a true symphony of simplicity and power. It's designed to make your life easier, more efficient, and, well, more enjoyable. Imagine having all the power you need right at your fingertips without any of the complexity. That's what Nova brings to the table. So, what does the future hold? Well, with Amazon Nova AI, the future is now. It's not just a glimpse of what's to come, it's a tangible reality that's already enhancing lives. From smart home integration to personalized recommendations, Nova is setting the standard for what AI can achieve. The future is bright, and it's powered by Nova. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit the like button to keep up to date with all news related to AI. Thanks.